that all of you are doing great. Well, what if there was a way in which a world-class exchange like Binance, the best exchange out there, automatically does your dollar cost average thing? What is dollar cost average? That means, let's say you choose dollar cost average every single day to invest $10 into Bitcoin every single day automatically. So instead of you coming out every single day and doing it, Binance is automatically going to do it for you and setting up the plan for any cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin or any other currency you want to buy. You want to buy it on a daily basis, you want to buy it on a weekly basis, depends on you. And it can be set in just 30 seconds. And I'm going to show you. It might sound too good to be true, but this is one of the best features, that is the auto invest features of the Binance, that I'm going to talk about, and we all should know about it. Whether you have been exposed to crypto or not, whether you are already into the crypto or not, this is one of the best strategy where you do not catch the swing. Like, average return will always be positive in an asset as good as Bitcoin or any other crypto asset, because when you're dollar cost averaging, you are going through the bear market where you're purchasing at a lower price, you're going through the bull market, you're purchasing at a higher price. Instead of that, like some people who just purchase in the bull market, they get massively crashed during the bear market. So dollar cost average reduces the risk element, at the same time gets you exposed to wonderful asset like Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. To show you an example, like as you can see, for the 3 years, if you would have used dollar cost average for the BNB, let's say somebody who would have invested for 3 years, $10,000 divided every single day, every single week, whatever, 603%. That $10,000 would have converted into $60,000. And like similarly for the Ethereum, for the Bitcoin, I mean, Bitcoin, it was pretty less because right now, like we are in the depths of the bear market. But just imagine when the bull market is going to come, like this is going to exponentially increase. Like all this will become like probably 1,000% or more. So make sure you watch the video completely till the end. This is one of the best features out there. So what are you going to do? Number one is, if you have already not registered for the Binance, I have left a link down below in the video description. That link will directly take you to this auto invest feature. All you have to do is just click on register and you enter your email address and choose your password. And that's it. You are registered for Binance, and then you will be landing onto this auto invest page, just like I am here. And then if you probably do not want to use a QR code, they will be on the screen at the left side, the QR code. You just scan it, you'll be directly taken to a registration page. After registering, you log into your Binance account, and then after that you just hover to earn and click on auto invest, and immediately you will be landing over here. So this is one of the easiest part. Now let us just create any of the plan, as simple as that. For example, I really like this particular coin BNB, but for now, let's say the Bitcoin, the evergreen currency. I create the plan for the Bitcoin. How much do I want to buy? Probably, let's say on a daily basis, I want to buy $10 of Bitcoin. That means probably on a yearly basis, I want to spend $3,650, right? But let's say I want to spend only $365 for the entire year, and every day $1 just for the test. I can reduce that. That's it. And then all I have to have is the balance within my account, and it's very easy to deposit money. For some of the people who do not want to deposit money into the Binance, you can directly enable your card so that automatically it is going to deduct probably on a daily basis. You want to do it on a weekly basis. Let's say somebody wants to put $10 on a weekly basis. Somebody who has a more appetite probably wants to put $100 every week, right? So every week it is going to keep on coming and automatically buy for you. And not just that, there is the icing on the cake. What is the icing on the cake? It is going to buy for you and automatically stake it for you. That means automatically it is going to give you the flexible returns as well. So there will be some amount of percentage returns, that is Binance is going to do the job for you. You don't have to worry about like where to stake or being secure about it. Binance, the best exchange out there in the world, it is going to do. All you have to do is just reap the benefits. Come and see the amount of money that you have used. In fact, it is saying that if you enable this, then this is the flexible saving balance, and that means if let's say your balance expires or it finishes from here, then what Binance is going to do is they are going to see whether you have the money that is you have generated from this savings. Like every time you're investing there, you are generating the passive income as well. If you have the passive income less left, it is going to purchase from that if you are falling short of the fund. If you don't want to do that, you just save your passive income. So it is as easy as that, guys. You want to spend monthly, you can choose the monthly. So it is as simple as that. Let us just try to create the plan. Let's say I want to buy on a daily basis $10 of Bitcoin, right? So it is showing me my first cycle is going to begin tomorrow itself by 6 a.m. I can choose the time as well. And then I just click on, I have read the term and I confirm. That's it, guys. I mean, that's what I was talking about. 30 seconds, not even that. My plan is created. So every time Binance is going to check my balance at a particular time, that, okay, this is the time at which on a daily basis, like this plan is set, invest daily $10. It is going to deduct $10 from my account and buy Bitcoin for me every single day. It is going to keep on happening. But let's say I change my mind. I want to stop it temporarily. I just click over here and it is temporarily stopped. Just one click of stop. Now it is no longer going to buy. I want to resume it. I just click it again and it starts buying again. I want to change this plan. I want to make it weekly, right? Because now, or probably I want to increase my amount because I feel I'm making the money. I'm making good income. I do it 100 and I confirm. So invest $100 on a daily basis. And then let's say I want to add another one. Probably I want to add BNB as well. You do the same thing. Create plan for BNB. Like you click on BNB, again, amount of money that you want to invest, confirm. Both the things will be there. All you have to do is just deposit the money and then automatically it is going to invest. And it cannot invest more than you deposit. Why? Because, I mean, obviously it is like the amount of money that you deposit onto Binance, only that amount will be deducted. And one of the best exchange, the safest exchange, why not? Now let's say I want to delete it altogether. I don't want to edit it. I don't want to pause it. I just go to plan overview and there is a button to remove the row. So isn't this, guys, I mean, this is the strategy, the dollar cost average. Like it has been researched and found one of the best strategies if you do not want to face the volatility of the asset over a period of time. Like as I've showed you, you'll always be in profit. So I just click on remove plan and that's it. And it is going to show me every time like the profit, the last day profit, total savings trial bonus that I've received. I mean, all that thing will be there, whatever I'm earning and everything. And my money will be there anytime I want to sell it all and I want to take out the money. I can do it anytime, right? And Binance being the best exchange out there in the world. So what are you guys waiting for? Click the link down below in the video description. You'll be automatically landing directly onto this auto invest page. Create the plan in the next 30 seconds. As I told you, before creating the plan, you click on register. And obviously that's a referral link I have mentioned down below in the description. That means you are going to get a welcome bonus as well because you have used the referral link. Now you can create the auto invest plan and that's it. And how do you deposit money? It's very, very easy, guys. I'll create a separate video for that. I've created even like in previous videos. You can buy directly via the credit card, via P2P trading, like you transfer one person in your country automatically and then he's going to release the funds directly into your account. So it is very, very easy. There are ways to find out. You can just search how do you deposit money if you are not sure how do you do that. And it's as simple as that. Your plan and your exposure to cryptocurrency will be handled by the best in the world. That is the Binance. Probably the BNB token is of Binance. At the height of it was like $100 billion market cap coin. That means they have so much funds reserved for you. So the safest exchange, the best exchange. If you want to use the QR code, again, the QR code is at the left side of the screen. You scan it, directly landing onto registration page of Binance. You register for it. You again go to this earn and go to auto invest and automatically you'll be landing onto this page. You create a plan and start getting exposure to this best technology ever invented. The Web3 is dependent onto the crypto. The metaverse that we are talking is dependent onto crypto. The NFTs are dependent onto crypto. You want to be exposed to it. So that's it, guys. And I hope that you found the video helpful. Until then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.